Hello all. So in this video we are going to see simple linear regression model using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to generate code for us. So we will see. Let's start. Let's start with asking something. Okay. So give linear regression sample code with sample real estate dataset. It's thinking, I think. Ah, Okay, let's see whether it will generate a code. Yes, it is generating. So it is importing pandas library and the linear regression from sklearn linear model and trying to split from sklearn model selection. So it is loading the dataset realestate.csv. So how can I get that realestate.csv? Okay, fine. So x is a variable which is an independent variable and y is the dependent variable. So it is doing train test split. We will train the model and we will test the model. So it is training the model and then it is testing and it is providing the coefficient and intercept, which is nothing but the slope and intercept. We will see in linear regression y equal to mx plus b. That's that one. So okay, so I need to get the data set. So okay, give me the data. Let me ask like this. Give me the sample data set also. Okay, we'll see. I don't know why it's thinking so long. Okay, but this is a sample model which it was generated. It's really good, cool. Okay, so it is generating square feet, bedrooms, bathrooms, and price. So okay, it is giving some data set. So we need to put these data set into our code. Then only we can able to use it, right? So no, I'll not code that one. I'll just ask that also to chat GPT. So let's see. Give code including the dataset. So I'm saying like give this code including this dataset. Okay. So let's see. The data contains 4 rows and 4 columns, where the first 3 columns are the features, and it is also explaining with a reason what are all the things which it is giving. So okay, it is generating. It is also putting that data set into a code. Okay, so it is really good. Okay, so we'll see. And also we will test this. Let us see. The x is independent variable and y is the target variable. So here y predicted using the x test, and then in evaluation metrics we will compare the y predicted and y test. So we will not going to check the evaluation, so there is a chance of overfitting or underfitting. So because the data set is really small, we are just testing with a simple linear regression model whether it can able to provide a proper code or not. Okay, So we are not going to too much evaluation, accuracy, metrics and all. So we'll just see whether the linear regression model works fine or not. Okay. So and also it is explained like in this example I use Python dictionary, what all it is used. So you're like to be, I would likely be working with much larger, more complex data sets. Yeah, it is true. Additionally, real world data sets may contain missing values, outliers, so feature engineering, so data pre-processing, so many processes are there. So we are just doing a simple linear regression model using this chat GPT. Okay. So I'm just copying this code and I'm just going to my Jupyter notebook and we will see whether it's working fine or not. Oh, okay, fine. It's giving the coefficient and intercept, and now we are going to test this with a sample data set. Okay, we will ask the same thing to Chat GPT whether we can able to see it can able to provide it or not. Okay, so fine. Predict the predict with some new data set. Then only we can say whether it is working fine or not, right? Predict with some new data set. So let us see it is giving some any kind of code or not. Once you have trained the linear regression model using the sample dataset, you can use it to make predictions on new data. Okay, fine. Here is an example. Okay, it is also giving some example of a new data. Okay, fine. 1500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and we are going to predict the price for this real estate, for this plot. Okay, so let us copy this code and we will just go to our Jupyter notebook and we will paste this over here. Okay, so see, it is predicted. So it was predicted around 3 lakhs. So for 1500, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, it was around 3 lakhs. So here 1500, 3 to 3 lakhs. Okay, we'll just put something like 1800. Okay, so to see how it works, see 3,91,764. So it was between this 1500 to 2000 square foot, which was 1800 square feet, well, comes around between 3 lakh to 4 lakh 50,000, which makes sense. Okay, fine. So this code is working. So Chat GPT, it's really awesome. So it is really easy to make a simple model, a simple linear regression model with Chat GPT. So yeah, it is really a breakthrough, but so many complex data sets, feature engineering, expert data analysis, data pre-processing, feature selection, so many things will be in data science will involve in that. So we can query each and everything, but we can't able to do an entire thing using Chat GPT, but it's really useful for a coding people, so it will make us more productive. It will increase our productivities to 10 times. So any interesting models or any interesting things related to chat gpt or data science, I'll just post in the comments below. We will look into that, we will explore that as well. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.